Hey everyone, Sal here. Who doesn't love the idea of making money while chilling on a beach? Dividend stocks might just be your ticket to financial paradise. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dividend stocks. So, if you're ready to learn how to make your money work harder than you do, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's unlock the treasure chest of dividend investing. Alright, let's break down this whole dividend stock thing. It's simpler than it sounds, and it can be a great way to earn some extra cash. Imagine your favorite pizza place starts giving out free slices every month just for being a loyal customer. Sounds awesome, right? That's basically what a dividend stock is. It's like getting a reward for being a part owner of a company. You buy a slice or share of a company, and they reward you with a little cash payout, aka a dividend. It's their way of saying thank you for your investment. Think of it like this. You own a tiny piece of, say, Apple. You're not just a customer, you're a shareholder. Now, Apple makes a ton of money selling iPhones, right? They have a huge market and loyal customers. Well, as a shareholder, you get a little taste of those profits just for being part of the Apple family. It's like sharing in their success. Some companies pay dividends every quarter, some pay annually, and some don't pay at all. It all depends on their policies and profitability. Our goal? We're hunting for those consistent dividend payers, the ones who like to share the wealth. These are the companies that reward their shareholders regularly. Now, before you go throwing your money at any company that offers a dividend, remember what your mama told you. Do your research. It's crucial to understand what you're getting into. Not all companies are created equal, and some might not be as reliable as they seem at first glance. Picking dividend stocks is kind of like dating. You don't want to just settle for the first one that flashes a smile. You need to look beyond the surface and see if there's real substance there. Just like you'd casually research a potential date on social media, you need to dig deep into a company's financials. Check their earnings reports, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. You want to make sure they're financially stable, with a history of consistent earnings and dividend payments. Look for red flags like high debt levels or declining revenues. Think of it this way. A company with a long history of paying dividends is like that reliable partner who always remembers your anniversary. They show commitment and reliability over time. There are plenty of resources available to help you find financially sound companies with a history of dividend payments. Use financial news websites, stock screeners, and investment research tools to make informed decisions. Alright, let's talk about dividend yield, the magic number that tells you how much cash you're getting back on your investment. It's a crucial metric for income-focused investors. Think of it like this. You're at the grocery store deciding between two watermelons. One is small and kinda sad-looking, the other is huge and juicy. Which one are you picking? The juicy one, obviously. Just like with watermelons, you want the investment that gives you the most bang for your buck. And when it comes to dividend stocks, we want that juicy yield. A higher yield means more income for you. Dividend yield is calculated by dividing the annual dividend payment by the stock price. It's a simple yet powerful way to gauge the return on your investment. The key is to find that sweet spot, a solid company with a respectable dividend yield that's sustainable over the long term. You don't want a yield that's too high and risky, nor too low and unappealing. So do your research, compare your options, and pick the juiciest dividend stocks for a fruitful investment journey. Now let's talk about the magical world of dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs for short. With DRIPs, instead of getting your dividend payments in cash, you can automatically reinvest them back into buying more shares. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy for building your wealth over time. Here's a golden rule of investing. Whether we're talking dividend stocks or any other type of investment, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine this. You're walking down the street, carrying a basket full of eggs. You trip, you fall, and bam! All your eggs are scrambled on the sidewalk. Not a pretty sight, right? The same goes for your investment portfolio. If you put all your money into one stock and that company goes belly up, you're in trouble. But if you diversify your investments across different companies, industries, and asset classes, you're spreading out your risk. There you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge to conquer the world of dividend stocks and unlock a lifetime of passive income. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So sit back, relax, and watch your money tree grow. If you enjoyed this fun and informative guide to dividend stocks, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome financial advice. Now if you'll excuse me, I'm off to find that beach and work on my tan, because passive income is calling my name.